The Keychron Q1, he takes everything that was great about the original Keychron Q1 and enhances it with exciting new features, making it an ideal mechanical keyboard for Mac users who love to tinker and customize. With its magnetic linear switches, this keyboard allows you to adjust the sensitivity of key presses and even set variable actuation points, offering an unprecedented level of customization for a keyboard in this price range. Whether you're adjusting key press sensitivity for gaming, typing, or just finding your personal sweet spot, the Keychron Q1, he gives you the flexibility to create a truly personalized typing experience. One of the standout features of the Keychron Q1 is its build quality. The keyboard is housed in a machined aluminum frame, which adds a premium feel and improves the overall typing experience. The aluminum top plate does a great job of absorbing vibrations, and the sound absorption foam further minimizes any echoes that might come from the key presses. Additionally, foam gaskets help eliminate any rattling from the inner PCB, resulting in a solid and smooth typing feel. While the Keychron Q1, he is an excellent option for those who love to customize their gear, there are a few things to note. Despite its premium build, the keyboard lacks some features that are present in other models at similar price points. Notably, it doesn't include a wrist rest, nor does it have feet or a kickstand for angled typing, which could be a deal breaker for some users who prefer that extra comfort. There's also no dedicated USB dongle storage, which could be a minor inconvenience for those who plan to use it wirelessly. The price is on the higher end, but considering the quality and customization options, it might still be worth it for keyboard enthusiasts. If you're a Mac user who enjoys the process of customizing your setup, the Keychron Q1, he is an excellent choice. It combines a robust set of features with high-end materials, making it a top contender in the mechanical keyboard market for tinkerers. The ability to swap out switches and adjust sensitivity levels adds a layer of versatility that few keyboards in this category can match, making it an ideal choice for those who want a unique and personalized typing experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.